Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ethereum. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Oops, let's get that out of there. Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. This video will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past ones, but even if not, I mean, there's still, I'm going to talk about the overall levels. But the reason I say it will mean more is for those of you that have watched past ones, hopefully you remember me talking about this 840 line right here as resistance, the red line. And you look at today and what's going on right now. Remember, crypto markets are open 24/7, so this will continue to change. But the big thing here that I want to convey is right now, the price is struggling to get up above that resistance level right there at 840. Now, I'm not saying that it can't be broken or anything like that. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is currently struggling right up around 840, because as the chart has forecasted, this could be a potential area of resistance. And there you go, the power of charts. This area is indeed acting as resistance. Again, not saying it can't be broken. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is currently struggling at that area. So going forward, that is definitely the key battleground. And really the big question, and I don't want to come across like this is some sort of secret discovery, but because that's not the case at all. Anybody that understands charts and knows how to use them is going to be wondering the same thing. And that whole, big question everybody's wondering is, can the price get back up above the 840 mark? And then after the price gets above it, can it stay above it? The other thing that everybody that uses charts is going to be wondering about is in regards to the purple line right here, which is that famous 50-period simple moving average. So just because the price can get up above 840, there's still work to be done, and that work needs to be started pretty darn soon, because not that far away is that purple line. And again, that is a moving average, so it'll continue to move downwards and get closer and closer, as the next several hours unfold. But point here being, the price without doubt is under a nice bounce right now, but that question all revolves, can the bounce continue to build on the momentum and quote unquote build on the momentum? What does that even mean? Well, again, that's the cool part about charts. They allow you to take general statements like that and quantify them. So build on the momentum, I'm, quantifying as, getting up above 840 and then trying to break up above that purple line there. If the price does roll back over, then, these levels of support are still in play down here at right around 650. And then the 560 mark. But as it stands right now, it's almost pointless to talk about those, so I'm just going to leave it at that, because as it stands right now, the price is trying to break through those levels of resistance. So we'll see if they can get the job done or not over the next several hours. We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.